The digital landscape has dramatically reshaped commerce, giving rise to diverse online selling strategies. Among the most popular are dropshipping and traditional e-commerce, each with distinct operational models, advantages, and challenges. Understanding these differences is crucial for any aspiring online entrepreneur. Dropshipping. The lean approach. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep the products they sell in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order on the seller's online store, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. The dropshipper acts as a middleman, never physically handling the product. Key characteristics of dropshipping. No inventory management. This is the defining feature. Dropshippers don't need to purchase or store products up front, eliminating the costs associated with warehousing, inventory tracking, and managing unsold stock. Low startup costs. The absence of inventory investment significantly reduces the initial capital required to start a business. This makes it an attractive option for new entrepreneurs with limited funds. Wide product selection without the need to physically stock items. Dropshippers can offer a vast array of products across various niches, easily testing market demand without financial risk. Location independence. A dropshipping business can be run from virtually anywhere with an internet connection, offering immense flexibility. Scalability. It's generally easier to scale a dropshipping business rapidly, as increased sales don't necessitate proportional increases in inventory or warehouse space. You simply forward more orders to your suppliers. Challenges of dropshipping. Lower profit margins because you're buying products one by one from suppliers at near retail prices. Your profit margins are typically thinner compared to traditional where bulk purchasing allows for greater markups. Limited control over product quality. Since you never see or inspect the products, you're reliant on your supplier for quality control. This can lead to inconsistencies, damaged goods, or inaccurate product descriptions, which can negatively impact customer satisfaction and your brand's reputation. Dependency on suppliers. Your business success is heavily tied to the reliability of your suppliers. Issues with shipping, delays, stockouts, or poor communication from the supplier can directly affect your customers and consequently your business. Shipping complexities. If customers order multiple products from different suppliers, they might receive multiple packages at different times, leading to confusion and potentially higher shipping costs. You also have less control over shipping speeds and methods. Branding limitations. Since products often arrive in generic packaging from the supplier, creating a strong, unique brand identity through packaging and unboxing experiences can be challenging. High competition. The low barrier to entry means the dropshipping market can be highly saturated with similar products, leading to intense price competition. Traditional e-commerce. The hands-on approach. Traditional e-commerce, in contrast to dropshipping, it involves the online retailer purchasing and holding their own inventory. When a customer places an order, the retailer manages the entire fulfillment process, from picking and packing to shipping the product directly from their own warehouse or storage facility. Key characteristics of traditional management. The business is responsible for sourcing, purchasing in bulk, storing, and managing its own inventory. This requires capital investment and careful inventory control. Higher startup costs due to the need to purchase inventory upfront, secure storage space, and manage logistics. Traditional e-commerce typically requires a more significant initial investment. Greater control. This model offers full control over every aspect of the product and customer experience. Higher profit margins by buying products in bulk directly from manufacturers or wholesalers. Businesses can often secure lower per unit costs, allowing for higher profit margins. Stronger brand building. With direct control over products, packaging, and fulfillment, businesses can create a consistent and unique brand experience, fostering stronger customer loyalty. Have you ever thought about turning your knowledge into income? Whether you're an expert in design, marketing, photography, coding, or even cooking, you can monetize your skills by creating and selling online courses. In this video, we'll walk you through how to outline your course, produce compelling content, price it effectively, and successfully market it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and beyond. Introduction to online course creation. Online education is booming, and people are actively searching for courses that solve problems and help them grow. That's where you come in. Creating an online course allows you to scale your expertise and reach thousands of students globally, without having to teach live classes repeatedly. But how do you start? Identify your expertise and audience. Begin by identifying a subject you're truly confident in. What do people constantly ask you for help with? What problems have you solved for yourself or others that others may want to learn too? Once you've narrowed that down, define your audience. Who are they? What challenges are they facing? How can your course make a tangible difference in their lives? Outline your course structure before you jump into filming or writing. Plan the structure of your course. Break the topic into modules or sections, and then into bite-sized lessons. Think about the transformation your students will go through from the beginning of the course to the end. Each lesson should have a clear goal and build on the previous one. Start with an engaging introduction, provide step-by-step instructions, Include real-world examples, and end each module with a summary or small assignment to reinforce learning. Choose your content format. You can create your course in video, audio, written, or a combination of these formats. Video is often the most engaging, but written guides and downloadable resources can add immense value. Use clear visuals, speak with energy and clarity, and maintain a tone that matches your brand, whether it's professional, casual, or motivational. Invest in good audio and lighting equipment. If that's out of budget, start with what you have, but focus on clarity and presentation. Pricing. Your course pricing can make or break your course's success. Research what similar courses are selling for. Consider the value you're providing and how unique your insights are. If you're just starting out, a lower price can help build trust and reviews. As you gain credibility, you can increase your rates or even create tiered pricing with added bonuses like one-on-one coaching or exclusive templates. Choosing the right platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific are some of the best-known options to host and sell your course. Udemy handles marketing and traffic for you but takes a higher cut of your revenue. Teachable and Thinkific give you more control over branding and pricing but require you to handle marketing. Choose a platform that aligns with your business goals and technical skill. Asterisk. Marketing your course. This is where many creators fall short. Just publishing a course isn't enough. Create a pre-launch buzz by posting behind-the-scenes content on social media. Use email marketing to build anticipation. Offer early bird discounts or bonus modules for your first students. After launch, collect testimonials and use them in ads or social proof on landing pages. Create content around your course topic to attract organic traffic. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, or short-form content on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Continuously improve and engage. Your course doesn't end after it.